What changes when you stop translating and start thinking directly in English? This simple question opens the door to a big idea. For young learners, especially those between 18 and 24, the way English is studied matters as much as the language itself. English is everywhere: music, movies, social media, jobs, and travel. For students and young professionals, it is more than a subject in school. It is a skill that opens doors. But the method of learning makes a huge difference. When you learn English in English, you hear and use the language the way it is really spoken. Instead of memorizing translations, you start to pick up rhythm, tone, and everyday expressions. Saying, "I'm looking forward to it" feels natural because you've heard it in context, not because you translated it word by word. Translating every sentence in your head is exhausting. It slows you down and makes you nervous. Learning in English helps you skip that step. You begin to think directly in the language, which makes speaking faster, smoother, and more confident. Language is more than grammar, it is culture. Expressions like "what's up" or "how are you" don't mean exactly what they say. They are part of social habits. Learning in English helps you understand these habits so you don't just speak, you connect. In college, work, or travel, English usually comes without translation. Meetings, classes, and conversations happen in real time. If you've trained yourself in English, you are ready. You can listen, respond, and adapt without waiting for your brain to translate. The big moment comes when English stops feeling like homework. It starts feeling like part of you. You no longer ask, "How do I say this in my language?" Instead, you ask, "What is the natural way to say this in English?" That's when fluency begins, when English becomes a tool, not a puzzle. Learning English in English gives you freedom: freedom from translation, freedom from hesitation, and freedom to join conversations that matter. For young learners, the reward is confidence, the ability to speak, study, and live in English without barriers. The path is simple. Direct exposure builds intuition. Thinking in English saves you energy. Culture adds depth. And practice prepares you for real life. The result is not just fluency, but independence. And that independence is the real win.